Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 best premium hashtag generators. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Flick. Flick is a hashtag generator tool that helps nearly 25,000 plus content creators, brands, and marketers in finding the best hashtags to boost their businesses. It is an all-in-one marketing tool that makes you to improve your business on Instagram. It always keeps tracking hashtags that are trending on social media. If you are a beginner and want to become a popular influencer account, then Flick is the perfect choice for you. It provides blogs and videos to learn about the Flick Instagram hashtag and analytical tool. Highlights. Flick is recommended by Instagram. Banned, flagged hashtag checker. 40 suggestions for each search. Filter using key hashtag metrics. Works in 20+ languages. Builds a hashtag strategy on autopilot. Available in iOS and Android app. Pricing. Flick provides its services in 4 different plans, such as Solo, Growth, Pro, and Agency. Payment for all these plans are made on yearly and monthly basis. The prices of all the plans are as showing in the tutorial. These are the prices of yearly billing. And these are the prices of monthly billing. Number 2, Hastagify. Hastagify is a hashtag generator tool that supports generating hashtags for Instagram and Twitter. This uses advanced technology to generate the best and popular hashtags. Among the 12,485,247 Twitter hashtags, users can pick the hashtags to improve the performance of the post. Along with the hashtags, it also provides the Twitter suggestion, which makes you be the trending page. It provides the service of generating Twitter hashtags for free with basic terms. Highlights. Suggests a huge number of hashtags. Provides complete hashtag analysis and report. Availability of hashtag marketing lessons. Use machine learning algorithm. Pricing. The monthly prices of Hastagify are as showing in the tutorial. And these are the prices of annually payment. Number 3, Inflact. Inflact is one of the best marketing toolkits for Instagram. This is formerly known as Ingrammer. Inflact allows you to improve your Instagram business by boosting the posts with the trending hashtags and making them visible to the targeted audience. It keeps your account 24/7 active with its auto-replies and advanced direct messenger options. This also includes schedule posting and boosts to reach your account to many users. Highlights. Smart targeting. Provides tutorials on promotions, sales, and content. Advanced direct messenger. Chatbot and auto-replies. CRM features. AI hashtag generator. Pricing. Inflact provides its services in 4 different modules, such as Promo module, Direct module, Scheduled posting module, Hashtag generator. Prices of Promo module. Prices of Direct module. Prices of Scheduled posting module. Prices of Hashtag generator. Number 4, HashtagsForLikes. HashtagsForLikes is the best trending hashtag research tool available in the present market. It has been proven that using hashtag generators like HashtagsForLikes will help you to improve your content and attain more reach than regular. The main goal of this HashtagsForLikes is to make the posts according to the targeted audience and boost it into the users for easy recognition. This provides hashtags not only for Instagram posts, but also for TikTok posts. Highlights. Analyze your performance. Track your results. Engagement calculator. 14 days money back guarantee. Pricing. HashtagsForLikes is available in regular and pro versions on weekly and monthly basis. These are the prices of weekly payment. Here are the prices of monthly payment. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.